Hey everyone, so this is tutorial on how to run this project called MLTutorials. This is basically a block and the markdown block. So you can publish your code. Okay, let's move on. So as you can see, we need to npm install. So you can just go npm install and get your npm, install it through this like download Node.js and npm. Yep. Yeah, so assume that you already have, so let's download this project. Okay, so we just download it in zip. Let's unzip it like somewhere. Let's unzip it, for example. Let's unzip it here. Okay, so we can close it and delete it. Okay, we just deleted it. So now let's just like ML to make it like more. Yeah, so this is project and we are here now. It has shorter name as you can see. So let's run cmd and it says get started npm install. So we are going to install. Yep. So it's going to install the things that are in package.json file. For example, express.js, mongoose, like this, because you might not have. Yep. So it will create not mongoose file. Yeah, as you can see, it just created 20:27 a.m. So yep, so it's just installed successfully. Now, what does tutorial say? It says npm run dev. Okay, let's run it. npm run dev. Okay, so our server has started. So how to view our server? We should write localhost and our port is 5000. Yep, so it's our port. So we can see that here is like Python tutorial. Yep, so it's like mar. Okay, let's edit this. So instead of mar, let's write markdown. Okay, we can see we can edit. So basically it looks like this, and we can publish our own tutorial. For example, let's say NumPy, this like a small NumPy tutorial. And here let's put something like installation, pip install, pip install NumPy. Yep, so we can see it works, right? NumPy, our title, installation, and pip install NumPy. Okay, now let's move on here, and you can see it's here already. Now let's edit it, and instead of this, let's add something like, or just install, let's say Jupyter Notebook, because Jupyter Notebook has already installed PyCharm. Okay, I mean NumPy. Okay, or just install Jupyter. Okay, you can see that it works. So this is edit functionality. This is like a block. You can view it. You can watch the time. Like this is third. This is fourth, which means today. Okay, we can also like delete it. Yep. So we just deleted it, and it's nowhere now. So we can again publish something like title. Let's say title is pandas. Wait, importing CSV in pandas. Description, a small tutorial about CSV, about importing CSV in pandas. Let's say like that. And markdown, let's say I'm just making it just for sample. Import pandas as PD. Yep, so successfully. Yeah, you can see that everything works. And if you want to publish, you can just click on publish. If you want to visit my Stack Overflow authors, which is me, you can go there and see my stats actually. If you want to get my LinkedIn, you can get LinkedIn or GitHub. Yep, or even Instagram. Yep. And we can see that this web application is fully responsible. So if you will do like that, as you can see this, right? Everything is responsible. And our menu is even responsible, like this. And also, yep, like this. These two tutorials are flexible. So let's add more, just like title 3, desk 3, mark 3. Okay, we can see that they are just going to append here. Okay, let's just force title force desk 4 mark 4. Yeah, it's just for test. Yep, and we can see just we can contain full 4 tutorials. Okay, and the next thing is you might think like if it's markdown, which is the user might inject something, right? But don't worry, since we have already sanitized HTML. So it means we use package called, where is that? Slugify, and like market, and the DOM purify, which already makes, and JSDOM, which makes this markdown to avoid this kind of injections. So if someone will write something like alert and like 1, 2, 3, it will be sanitized and it won't run on the clients. Okay, it will just like, yeah, it will be displayed as an HTML. So no injections. Yep. So that's all.